Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Devgan and I have created this Diwali look for all of you today. I'm hoping you all are enjoying this festive season and you all are having a lot of fun, eating a lot of sweets, decking up, looking like a pataka and having fun. This look is trendy, chic and simple at the same time. I have explained all the steps in this video and you can create the same look and tag me on Instagram, on YouTube. I'd love to see all of you. So without a further delay, let's get started. But wait, have you subscribed to me yet or not? If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss any tutorial from me. So I am doing all of this makeup with all of my favorite products. I'll be giving you all the details while doing the makeup. So right now I am applying Bobbi Brown's under eye cream and on the face I am applying Bobbi Brown's vitamin enriched face base. I want to provide hydration to my face. That's why I'm using MAC Fix Plus when starting the makeup. This is such a multi-use product. You can apply it between the makeup, before the makeup and after the makeup. Now I'm going to do a pink eye today, so I need a clean base and an uplifted base. So I've used MAC Studio Fix Plus concealer in lighter shade NC15 and setting the eye. Also, like always, I forget to wear the lenses, so I wore lenses and we are using Vizart's palette today. Now I can go on and on about this palette because this has no fallout. Such a professional palette it is. It comes in various ranges and I am pretty happy to work with this palette. The kind of pigmentation this gives, I don't think I have seen any palette like this. So I want a brown eyeliner, like a smudged eyeliner look today. That's why I have applied MAC's Costa Riche pencil and I'm now smudging it with a brown eyeshadow. I have taken Natasha Denona's eye palette for it. And to give a clean look to the eyeliner, I am applying K Beauty's brown colored eyeliner. Flexing my lashes and now applying it with the help of a tweezer. I have applied duo glue on it and that's how my eyes look right now. Now the next steps are curling the lashes and putting the mascara. Now for my base today, I'd like to apply Say Beauty's Illuminator, which is very moisturizing at the same time. I have applied Bobbi Brown's vitamin enriched face base and then I am applying it over it, and I like to apply it before using a concealer. Now for the concealer, I'm using Lancome's concealer today. I have it in dark shade and lightest shade. So I'm making a mix over here and creating my shade. Always remember, less is more. Using IT Cosmetics number 7 brush. This is a multi-purpose brush. I love the fact that I can do my whole base with this brush. I can do my concealing, my foundation, my contour, my blush, everything with this brush. Just merging everything and making everything look perfectly seamless on my face. Now using my Chanel Vita Lumiere foundation. Now I'm buffing it with the back side of this brush. Trust me, this brush never gives any stroke signs or anything. I never have to use any beauty blender after using this brush. Now for the liquid highlighting, I'm using the same MAC NC15 Studio Fix concealer. Going ahead with my Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer and marking my face. This is a good representation of how to do contour and liquid highlighting on your face. Hoping you are enjoying my funny face. Okay, IT Cosmetics number 7 brush. This is an unsponsored video, by the way, just using the products that I like. By the way, what are your plans for Diwali? What are you going to do? And how many sweets you are going to eat? I have a sweet tooth and I will be binging on a lot of Kaju Katlis this time. So now we are going ahead with blush. This is Rare Beauty blush in shade Happy. Using the same brush. Oh my god, how many times I'm going to say the same thing. I think I'm going to bore you. Okay, so for the powder, I'm using Givenchy Beauty powder, setting powder, and one size Petricta's powder, and I'm going to mix both of them. Yes, you can mix your pink powder with your regular powder or any colored powder so that you can make a match for your face. Using Bobbi Brown's bronzer here. Hose Labs Dragon Fruit Peach Shade Blush. MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighter. This never looks too much. Very subtle highlighter. I don't want my highlighters to shine like I don't want the particles in my highlighter. I want subtle highlighters. Using MAC Whirl Lip Pencil. I'm using Velvet Teddy from MAC Cosmetics here. Benefits Car Brow Pencil in shade 4.5. Just applying the same shade from Natasha Denona's palette on the under eye area as well. And we are ready. This is what I look like. I'm going to write down all the product details in the caption. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it and I shall see you soon in next video. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye.